Hello everyone, welcome to GRUDA Hair Factory Vietnam, and I'm Rosa. As we know, the holiday season is coming, and if you still don't know which color to order this time, and I recommend you to order ombre black and brown color. This is hot trend color this year. Many customers like this color because it has natural beauty, so it's popular for the holiday season. You can see my hair is so smooth and shiny. We have received a lot of orders. There are wholesale customers who have ordered 30 kg just for this color, and they have referred us to many other customers. We really appreciate about that. We have different length for you choose from 6 inches to 36 inches. We have big sale for the holiday season and lots of gift for you. Please quickly contact us via Instagram or WhatsApp number to receive this offer. Our sale will be here to respond to you 24/7, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.